A poem, Howlin Wolf by Kevin Young from his 2018 collection, Brown. My first contemporary poet, but I love his work. It's very personal, evocative, full of wonderful imagery, unforgettable stuff. I want to show you the actual printed so you can see that there are unusual spaces. This is the form that he put it in, so I'm assuming that that's how he would want it read. So that's how I'm going to read it, with those stops rather than a more natural flow, just reading it through. So here we go. Howlin' Wolf. In Parchman prison, in stripes standing, guitar gripped like a neck, strangled, strummed, high strung and hard, mostly you moan. See how heavy your hands hang without women or words. We cannot quite know. How is this not hell? Being made to make music. Here where music only makes time. Go slow, cloudy, like blue depression glass. Under the hard sun of your smile, we see stripes like those that once lined the slave's unbent back. Blood and gunk, spit it out, a song, low down, gut bucket, built for comfort, not built for speed. Gimme the brack of the body, the blue, the bile, all you sing or howl. If a wolf, then lone, then orphan, then hangry, enough to enter into town, to take food from the mouths of low houses, a hen, a stray. It is never enough. You don't need tell me why. We hear, you know, better, black, as an exclamation point. The men all around, you in stripes. How long? Their sentences, their dark faces, ellipses, everywhere accidental. The white man in front proud, or is it prideful? He wears no number, and now exiled under the earth, no one recalls his name. Yours a dark wick, waiting we burn, wanting you to step into song, to again howl, till you sweat through your shirt and two white handkerchiefs. A revival, preacher waving praise, no flag of surrender, the guitar a blunt instrument, your hair, your shoes, even your voice shines. Thanks for coming by. I hope you enjoyed it. I highly recommend checking out Kevin Young. Mr. Young has many books out there and probably has a few things printed online as well. Very worth your time. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.